welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow, you guys, is Mother's Day, and I decided to do a little Mother's Day themed video. I actually have been trying to gather ideas to make something cool for you guys. I didn't really plan this out too well. I'm not sure if I have everything that I need. If I don't, then I will take you guys along with me and we'll get the things that we need. You guys know that tomorrow is Mother's Day. Today is Saturday, May 11, and tomorrow, Sunday, May 12, is Mother's Day. And I said Mother's Day a lot. Can you guys tell that I'm a little nervous? I want to do something really special for my mom. Obviously, I love her to death, and she's been so amazing. All year round, she's been amazing. Every day, she is such a great grandma and mother to me, and a mother-in-law to my husband. Even these little gestures that I do, nothing compares to how she treats me and how well she is with my children. And I'm so grateful, just the moments that she gets to spend with us and the moments she spends with her grandchildren, and they have such a good mother figure and grandmother figure in life, that hopefully they will be half of as good as she is, because it's very important to have these special connections and bonds and relationships with the special people in your life. And I'm so grateful that we have that opportunity. I know a lot of people they don't have a mother figure or a grandmother figure, and I'm really sorry about that, and I wish you guys were able to experience the same thing that I get to experience with my kids and with my mom. But it's just it's a special day, obviously, and every day should be Mother's Day, not just today, not just tomorrow. Every day needs to be special for your mothers, for your grandmothers, for even your women friends. They should all feel special on this day. I think I'm rambling too much, but yeah. Last year, I actually got this box, and this box was so cute. I bought it off of Amazon. If I don't post this on Mother's Day, you can always use this video for any day. It doesn't have to be Mother's Day. It can be just a cute gesture that you wanted to show your mom, or you can just wait till next year, and this way you have an idea of something that you can do. So I got this box, and it looks like this. It's a long box. It looks like a plain box when you look at it, but when you open it up, oh, it's upside down. When you open it up, it has this cute ribbon that you can tie as a bow. But when you open it up, what does it say? It says Mom. See, it's so cute. It has a heart in the middle. Yeah, so it's fairly big. Okay, so this is how big it looks. So my plan was for this box is for me to fill it up with beauty goodies and maybe some chocolate, and I was gonna put real flowers, but I thought about it and I said I think I should buy artificial flowers. I originally wanted to do a box with Bronya. Come in. I was gonna do dipped strawberries, chocolate strawberries, and real roses, but I just think that it's so much cooler if you add things that you can actually use. I don't know. I mean, it's good to use strawberries too because you can eat them, but I just wanted to make it something that she can maybe reuse the box or something. Okay, so we got Rania. Hi, say hi, Rania. Hi. Okay, so Rania decided to join me. She actually wanted to join me from the beginning, but her dad is cleaning outside. If you can hear the noise in the background, it's actually him pressure washing.
He's washing the pool so I can swim in it.
Yeah, he's washing the pool so she can swim in it. I told Rania she's going to be doing this because she obviously wants to take part in this gift because, it's for her grandma, right? Yeah, do you love grandma? Okay, Rania, so do you know what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Press the glitter.
Okay, so I got...
Wait, I like this color.
Yeah, it's really cute. So I got 3 colors of glitter. So I'm thinking of mixing all of these 3 together.
And put it inside?
No. So we're gonna try to paint the outside with all the glitter. Okay? And we're gonna use this Mod Podge. And this has a glossy finish. So we're gonna mix it all together, so when it actually finishes drying, it actually seals. So if you want to hand wash the water bottle at the end, it's, you know, like it's waterproof and it finishes as a glossy finish. And yeah, it's cool. I actually use this glue for the whole wall that I have in that sparkly living room. And yeah, it's honestly the best. You can kind of see how it dries right here. It's really shiny. But yeah, I've never done anything like this before. I actually bought a bunch of tumblers like this online like a year ago as well. And I was pregnant, so I like honestly pushed this aside. I wanted to originally put like diamonds, you know, individually on all the tumblers, like cups. But I decided to go for an easier route and see if it works out. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We got these little brushes here. This is a very simple, like, you know, DIY that we're gonna try, and I'm gonna show you. Hopefully this is gonna be enough sparkles to even cover up this whole thing. But,
Okay, that's a good.
oh, it's so pretty.
Wait, I want to do this one.
I love this color.
I want to do this one.
Because this is a fine sparkle. Oh my god. It's fine sparkle. We want to like thicken it up with some of this thicker sparkle.
Okay, I want to do it now. This next one. Like put it.
Ooh, this looks messy. Ooh, that's pretty. And this is gonna like make it pop a little bit because you gotta make some dimension in the colors.
Okay.
Oh. Hey. Okay, so what we're gonna do next?
Whoa!
Yeah, I know, it's so cool, right?
I like the colors.
We're gonna open this.
I want to do
You
it.
want to mix it?
Yeah. So it should look like pretty.
Yeah, look at that.
It looks like sandbox when you mix it.
Yeah. Hey, don't get it out. We need all the sparkles.
It smells good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
It doesn't even have it smells really, girl. But it's looking very pretty, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this to the side right now. I'm thinking actually
The heck?
we put this like a first coat here.
Yeah, I want to try it.
Huh?
I want to try that.
So what I'm thinking, Rania, is either we can mix this
Into here?
in here, or listen to me, okay? This
What?
is gonna be funner.
Okay.
We put this, okay?
Into
This
here?
on this first.
Okay, I want to do it.
Okay, listen. And then we pour this on this.
Okay.
And then we'll stick on, okay?
Okay, let's do
You
it.
wanna try that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I finally got this open. It's been like jammed with the dry pieces of glue, so I had to like take it out. So we're gonna pour some into a plate like this.
All of it?
A bowl. And I'm gonna show you first and then you can do it, okay? So let's just remove the straw right now so it doesn't get all gluey. Can you just go put that over there?
Wait, here?
Yeah,
I want to put it here.
sure. And then, so it's clear. We're gonna put some of the paint here.
Okay, I want to do it.
Just wait, let me show you first. Let's just see how it works.
It smells good.
Yeah, so
I like the flavor.
We need to get it all over like this. I don't know if this is gonna work the way I'm imagining it's supposed to work.
Okay, I'm
but-
try now.
We need to work really fast, okay?
I want to try.
Okay, here.
Oh, wait.
So
put
you
it
need
down.
to hold it.
Put it down.
Hold here.
No. I want to put it down. Like this. Okay, now do it.
Here you go. Okay. Let's do the next part.
Um,
Oh, you know what? I think what we should do is, so the glue doesn't dry up all the way through, we do one part at a time. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, so because we did this part, we should put sparkles on it now, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't dry out. But wait, before we do that, we need something
What?
so the sparkles don't go to waste.
I didn't knock mine out.
Let's see.
I'm gonna do myself.
Okay, but not too much.
Let me do it. Let me do it
Okay.
myself.
I don't want you to put too much. Her hand is really heavy. Okay, try. Not all of it, okay? Okay. Okay, so far this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty. Can I do the rest right now? And then we can put more glue?
Well, I'm gonna do two.
Okay.
Choo choo.
This is hard. Like not hard, but like messy. And you know, I love mess, you guys. I love mess.
Me too.
So the only way I guess to cover it is to throw a bunch on. Here, you do the rest. Not like all of it, but just put some more here. Okay. And then we're gonna just tap it.
How do I do it?
Okay. Whoa. So I think we got all the glue. Let's put some more glue.
Yeah.
Rania decided she wants to roll it in the pan and see if that works. Let's see. Oh, not bad. It actually works.
I want to do more.
So we're almost completed the cup. Yeah, I had to do it off camera just because it got a little bit messy and I was just trying to figure out the quickest way to complete this. Yeah, and I don't want to bore you guys. But anyways, so we decided to mix the sparkles and the glue together, and that was like the best way to complete the cup. And as you can see, it's white right now, but as it dries, it should be sparkly. The next thing is, this is the lid. Looks so pretty right now, but I need to seal it. It needs to be sealed so it doesn't fall off. And when you're like washing it, which it should be hand wash only because it's being altered with sparkles, it's not going to be dishwasher safe unless you want all the sparkles to come off in the dishwasher. We're going to show you how to fill this cute box that says mom on it. I got this order from Sephora. We're gonna go through it, you guys. I got some goodies for me, for my mom. I even got some samples because I thought they would look so cute in this box, because I do want small items to fit in these little letters and hearts. We're gonna stuff it with some cute Happy Mother's Day. It's like a gift tissue paper. I had this from like 3 years ago and I use it like every year. So I'm just gonna fold it and then until it fits inside. So I stuffed it in and I folded it. I could technically leave it a little bit more fluffier for these edges, but I think it's cute like this. And then you have like a few products here, right?
Okay.
What do you think? Is it nice? So the first thing I got is this cute Drunk Elephant Sunshine Drops and Rosy Drops. So I've heard a lot about these and I wasn't like, you know, ready to commit to full size. So I got one for my mom and one for me in mini sizes. And what these are, I'll actually open it up because I have another one. Oops. So apparently you can mix these two with your moisturizer and it gives you like a really nice glow. You want to see the inside?
Yeah.
So this one is a bronzing one. And
try it out on you.
Let's see. Wait, let's shake it. Always shake. Okay, so I had to change cameras because unfortunately the camera died and I don't know where batteries are because Mo deals with that. But anyways, we're trying to show you the sample, not sample, but mini size of Drunk Elephant. So these are the bronzer and the Rosy Drops. So you can mix these in with your moisturizer and just wear it as it is, or you can mix it in with your makeup and put it on top. I don't know. I'm gonna experiment with these and see. So we got another one. Let's put it in here.
Let's take that one now.
Are you ready?
Yes, babe.
This is my all-time favorite. It's a Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. So good. I had to get one for my mom because she doesn't have setting sprays and she doesn't know what that is. So she's going to find out how amazing it is with your makeup. So we're gonna put it there. So keep in mind, these are not gonna be like its permanent spot. Just in case I need to move things around, I'm going to do that as I go. Here is the aftermath of touching something that isn't dry, but I just wanted to show you guys the color of it is not as white as before. So keep in mind, it's going to get even more purple as it dries. I'm so mad at this right now. I'm literally gonna fix it. But yeah, so I will keep you guys posted probably on the family vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not like the best. It's not like my usual type of videos, like when it's like cooking or baking, and like kind of didn't really know where I'm going with this video today, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. So happy Mother's Day to everyone, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Bye bye.